Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change the language in Strava app. First, just go ahead and open the Strava app on your phone. Now note that the Strava does not have a built-in option directly to change the language inside the app itself. So instead, just go ahead and open your phone settings. And here, scroll all the way down, and you will see General Management. Just go ahead and click on General Management, and click on App Settings. This section allows you to set different languages for individual app installed on your device. Now scroll through the list or search for the Strava app. So just click on the app once you have located it. And here you can set any language that you want, so you can just go ahead and scroll down and choose any language to your liking. And once you have found your preferred language, just go ahead and click on it. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and close the Strava app completely and reopen the Strava app. And now the changes will be successfully taken into effect. And that's it. The simple rule is Strava language is controlled from your phone settings and not inside the app itself. We just learned how to change the language in Strava by using phone settings and selecting the app language option. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.